Welcome back to episode 2 of the poor man's Hilux build. And today we are going to be doing a bit of an interior refresh while I wait for my tires to come in for the new wheels. The front tires are looking a little clapped. As you can see, the indicators are right there. Yeah, they're just looking a bit shit and they are pretty hard. And yeah, so pretty much I'm going to be doing an interior clean because it is disgusting like you saw in last episode. I'll show you now if you missed last episode. So the main thing I'm trying to tackle is the seats are disgusting. I'm going to start on the passenger seat because it is a little less gross. Still just full of farts and yuck. And obviously the dash is like super dusty. Like look at this. It's been like that for a while. It needs a good clean. There's a lot of mud because it's just come out of winter. And yeah, so everything needs a bit of a vacuum. It's clapped out. And yeah, so it's a bit of a refresh. And if you haven't seen the wheels, I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek so you guys know what the wheels are going on the car. Just a real quick thing, YouTube has given me a thing called YouTube members. So right down there below the subscribe button or next to the subscribe button, you can click it and you can become a member for $2.99 a month, or you can choose a higher one to support the channel and support the podcast as well. And pretty much what you get is some perks. They say what the perks are next to each price. And you get a secret badge, so when you comment you get a nice badge. And for subscribing for 1 month you get an SR20, and then 2 months it goes to a LS1, and then it goes to a Barra, and then RB26, and for 12 months you get to be a 2JZ, which is absolutely sick. I am going to be doing a refresh on them, getting professionally done, like fully animated and stuff. But yeah, so if you're the first member, thank you so much, and let's get back into the video. That thing is dusty, boys. Definitely needs a good vacuum. To clean the seats, because they are super dirty, we got one of these things. My housemate actually picked this up from Super Cheap Auto. It's called a Bicel or a Bicel or whatever. It's got water in here with some sort of solution that it comes with, and then that side's where all the dirty water comes up, and it sucks it up through this like a vacuum cleaner. It's just a wet vac pretty much. So I'm gonna start getting onto that, wet the seats and soak it for 5 minutes. But if you are gonna do this at home, and if I give you inspiration to clean your car, tag me in Instagram photos because I want to see the before and afters. It's gonna be sick. Anyways, got the Dyson, the best vacuum ever. We're gonna vacuum all of this, clean all of that, and the seats are gonna soak, and then we'll see how clean they go. Oh, check it out, that's so gross. Guys, it's just wet and it's already like pulling the dirt out. That is so bad. I'm so intrigued to see what the other seat is, like the driver's seat. It's just disgusting. So while the seat is soaking, I've got this thing called Orange Agent. It's meant for your engine bay, but if you spray it on this dirt here, it'll literally eat into it in about 3 seconds. You can wipe that dirt off. It's the easiest clean ever. It's not the best for your plastics, but if it is super dirty like that, you need to go spray, wipe off, it's mint. I'll show you now. Like, if you see how dirty that is, ready? Look, it's already eating into it. Ready? Watch this, I'll get the paper towel. All right, paper towel, guys, watch this. That was literally 4 seconds. Look at that. That is disgusting. Orange Agent, done by Bowden's. All right, so the seats have been soaking for about 5 minutes. I haven't agitated it at all. I just want to see how good this really is. So I'm going to turn it on, do it. I might have to play some music over the top because I don't think you guys want to hear a vacuum cleaner going, but let's get it. So I've done pass number 1. Looks a bit better. I'm still waiting for the chair to dry, obviously. I think there's a couple of stains in here and like around there. I don't know what it is, seriously guys. It's It could be anything. Obviously I haven't done this seat yet, but the whole center console is looking like 100 times better. I need to get like a toothpick into all those crevices because they're like tiny and small. So I'm gonna do that now. And then obviously I'm gonna give this a quick rub down with the microfiber. That'll look sick. But I'm kind of scared to do that chair. I really want to see how this chair turns out before I do that, because it could just be a lost cause and I may as well just get like a new upgrade seat from another Hilux, like a 2007. So I did a second pass and I scrubbed it with this. It's just a wheel cleaning brush. Yes, I know. Lucky it's not leather. It has actually made it a lot better. Obviously it's a little bit wet, so it's got like a wet look and looks probably way better than it does. So we'll have to see what it's like when it's fully dry, but it looks way better. And I've wiped all of this down. It's got some stains on it, so I'm gonna, once again, orange agent on a microfiber, clean it all up. And if you check out the steering wheel, it's pretty gross, and so is like the speedometer and all that stuff. So I'll get to that and I'll show you guys the final product. Check it out, guys. That looks so much better. That's a scratch, it's not a stain. I think a bit of metal like slid through when I had a bit of metal in here and scratched it, which sucks, but it looks so much better. And the steering wheel does look good. I don't know what that bubbly stuff there is. It could just be from the sun, but that's weird. Anyways, I'm gonna try and clean up all of this door card and stuff. Same on that side. I really think this seat is a lost cause because, as you can tell, this little stain here that is nowhere near that. Yeah, I really don't think that's gonna come out. So if you have the hook up on some seats, let me know. Check out the water that came out of the seats, or seat. That is so filthy. It comes out from there. Oh, that is disgusting. Right, so if you haven't seen, from a few videos ago I did show you, but I've got a lot of new subscribers since then. These are my new wheels. The other one is somewhere else. But these are Prado Grande 120 wheels, I believe, or 100s. They're 17 inches. The tires on them are pretty clapped out. They're like all up to the indicator. So pretty much I've got new tires coming on the way, and I think I can't remember what size I ordered. It's similar to what's on this, which is 275 65 17. It might be slightly smaller than that, maybe 260, just because of Hilux and it's a stock body. I don't want it to poke out too much because I really don't want to have flares on it. But if we do end up getting flares, it's probably because the tires poke out. Probably thinking, Mez, why those wheels, not like some sort of steel wheel or some like other aftermarket wheel? Well, other aftermarket wheels are way more expensive, and to get a set of 4 wheels was $300. That's so freaking cheap, guys. This is the poor man's budget build, obviously. That's why I'm going for the cheap route, but these actually look insane on a Hilux. Like, once the video comes out for these wheels and the tires, and if I do get the lift for the car, you'll be like, oh, okay, now I know why Mez did that. So yeah, once again, Prado Grande wheels, they look mint. If you do have a center cap, I'm missing one for this wheel, so I need that center cap there. So if you do have one, please Instagram message me or leave a comment down below and we'll get chatting. Okay, so the chair has dried, guys. It looks way better. I'll put a side by side, like a before and an after, and you'll see that stain there is super deep and that is super deep. But other than that, everything else turned out really, really good. That I've just literally decided that is seriously just poo stained way too much. That's ripping. That's obviously got a massive hole in it. So I think I am gonna get some new seats, but it was good to be able to see like how much stain I can get out of this, just in case I pick up some seats that have a few stains on them and get some cheap ones. I think that is it for this episode. Next episode, number 3, I'm going to either have the new wheels and the tires on, and if I do go for the lifting blocks, or find some lifting blocks that are sort of cheap, I might do that as well. Or I might be doing a full custom like draw build for the back seat, so I can keep the back seat and pull out all my tools when I need to go camping or something. I don't know. Let me know which one you want to see down below. This build is starting to get serious. I need to order an exhaust, do a bunch of other stuff as well. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. The seat cleaned up somewhat alright, not as good as I thought. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. The good videos are coming, guys, I promise. So if you are new around here, please hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like, and if you are feeling a little bit generous, hit the join button, become a member, and yeah, support the dream. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get this Hilux build going. Oh, I'm so keen to get the whole thing done. I was just looking at some Maxxis razors. They look pretty cool. They are supposed to be like one of the best tires out there, or, you know, good. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.